Best front load washing machine. Number 5. iFFALCON 7 kg full automatic front load washing machine with inbuilt heater. Approx price 16,490 rupees. Best wash quality, energy and water efficient. Capacity 7 kg, suitable for large families. 1200 rpm, higher spin speeds helps in faster drying. 16 wash programs, warranty 1 years on product, 5 years on motor. Number 4. Bosch 7 kg 5-star inverter touch control fully automatic front loading washing machine with inbuilt heater. Approx price 32,790 rupees. 7 kg capacity, ideal for families. B 5-star rating. Hygienic wash with 99.99% bacteria reduction. Wash programs 15. Anti-tangle function. Keep cloths free from tangles and damage. 1200 rpm spinning speeds for quick drying. Anti-vibration side panels reduce noise and vibration to minimum. Manufacturer warranty 2 years on product, 12 years on motor. Number 3. LG 7 kg 5-star inverter touch control fully automatic front load washing machine with heater. Approx price 29,990 rupees. Best wash quality, energy and water efficient. Capacity 7 kg, suitable for 3-4 members. Energy rating 5-star, best in class efficiency. 1200 rpm, higher spin speeds helps in faster drying. 10 wash programs with LG inverter direct drive technology. Manufacturer warranty 2 years on product, 10 years on motor. Number 2. iFFB 6 kg 5-star front load washing machine, 2x power dual steam. Approx price 23,790 rupees. Best wash quality, energy and water efficient. Capacity 6 kg, suitable for small families. Energy rating 5-star, best in class efficiency. 800 rpm, higher spin speeds helps in faster drying. 8 wash programs, inbuilt water temperature range. 4 years comprehensive warranty plus 10 years motor warranty plus 10 years spare support. Number 1. Samsung 6 kg inverter 5-star fully automatic front loading washing machine. Approx price 22,490 rupees. Best wash quality, energy and water efficient. Capacity 6 kg, suitable for bachelors and couples. 1000 rpm, higher spin speeds helps in faster drying. Wash programs 10. 2 years comprehensive warranty on the product, 20 years warranty on the DIT motor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.